Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your system audio. Now I'm in Capcut, and I've got my screen minimized so I was able to access my record button. And if you do not have anything imported into your imports here, your media, you will probably not see the record button, depending on which version of Capcut you have. So you can just import anything. You don't even have to use it, but then your record button will appear. And I'm already recording, so I had the option to record my video, like so you can see me and my microphone. But when you click on the microphone options, you don't see an option to turn off your system audio. So how do you do that if you don't want to record audio in the background on your screens? Like, let's say you want to demonstrate something that someone's doing on YouTube and they're talking, but you don't want to hear their voice because it interferes with yours. How do you get rid of that? Well, first thing you would do, let's go to YouTube here. If you go to your speaker, I've turned it right down. Okay, now I'm going to turn it right up, so it'll come through my computer speakers, and then my microphone will pick it up.
These are all features that if you were to do this manually, it would take way longer to do.
Okay, you see, you could hear her talking. Now I turned it down. So by turning this up and down, it doesn't stop the system audio from being, recorded. It'll keep recording. So how do you get rid of the system audio? Well, very simple. Let's now go stop this, and I'll continue on in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Now we have our track that we just recorded, and I've actually got them both turned off here. I'm going to play this, like the audio's turned off here, so you can't hear anything. You just hear me talking. Now this was from the YouTube video.
Up to you, but I do recommend the more information you could give this AI, the better,
So
and the more unique
can
to
hear that
yourself your
YouTube
video will be.
blasting through.
After this, you want to add in a
And it's
type
the
of
same
background
level.
music. So I'll say upbeats
I'm gonna turn
and
it off
happy,
again.
and then next you want to
So you can see that YouTube video is the same level all the way through. That's the YouTube track. Now here is the sample of me speaking on that track that we just did before. I'm going to turn this on. You're going to hear it. But when you click on the microphone options, you don't see an option to turn off your system audio. So how do you do that? Okay, now so now you see that what Capcut did is it recorded two audio tracks, one separate for my microphone and one separate for the system audio. So how do you get rid of the system audio? It's very simple. Well, we muted it here, but I would actually recommend not just muting it. I would actually recommend pulling this little line here with the audio. You can see my mouse. I can go up and down. So go right down, because sometimes when you export this, even with the muted, it'll still come on. So this way, if you pull the audio gain right down, you won't hear it. So now okay, I'll turn on both tracks, and again, we won't hear the YouTube again. Let me go right back to the beginning, and I'm going to show you that when I play this, you'll no longer hear the YouTube audio. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your system audio. Now I'm in Capcut. You will probably not see the record button. Okay, so you could see that what we've done now is turned off the system audio just by pulling the level down. So it looks like Capcut doesn't seem to have a switch for that. You can just turn it on and off. It looks like you have to record it anyway, and then you just come into your audio tracks and you pull the audio level down on the system audio track, because there's two separate tracks. So the fact that there's two separate tracks gives you that control. So I hope this video has been helpful, and you now know how to manipulate the system audio. So watching, and we'll see you in the next video.